You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name that is of German, or at least Germanic origin. If you want to learn more confusing German names that are often mispronounced, stay tuned. And because it is from German, let's look at the German pronunciation, which is indeed Kuhn. Alright, now, Kuhn. Now, if there was an umlaut, if there's an umlaut, 2 dots, it's pronounced Kuhn. So that's a bit different, alright? Kuhn would be with umlaut, German. But without the umlaut, it's Kuhn. The English pronunciation is most generally as Kuhn, indeed. Do you pronounce it any other ways? How do you pronounce it? Where are you from? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.